Dear students, welcome to one more new video of social science. In this video, let us see important multiple choice questions which can be expected from Sociology Unit 2 Labor. The book The Republic was written by Karl Marx, Aristotle, Plato, J.S. Mill. Correct answer is option C, Plato. Plato wrote in his book The Republic on the specialization, inequality in employment, labor without pay, division of labor. Correct answer is option D, division of labor. Human society is formed on natural inequalities. This natural inequality is based on division of labor, was said by Plato, J.S. Mill, Rousseau, Montesquieu. Correct answer is option A, Plato. Division of labor creates less skilled workers, was said by Aristotle, Plato, Karl Marx, J.S. Mill. Correct answer is option C, Karl Marx. The sector which is enrolled as per the law of the government and provided fixed wages facilities within the framework of law is called organized sector, unorganized sector, labor with pay, labor without pay. Correct answer is option B, organized sector. This sector is guided by Minimum Wages Act, Factories Act, Employees Provident Fund Act. Organized sector, unorganized sector, tertiary sectors, secondary sectors. Correct answer is option A, organized sector. School, hospital, industries, government related services are come under primary sector, secondary sector, unorganized sector, organized sector. Correct answer is option D, organized sector. The sector where legal provisions do not completely govern is called unorganized sector, organized sector, labor with pay, labor without pay. Correct answer is option A, unorganized sector. In this sector, the relationship between the employer and employee is not guided by any legal provisions. Organized sector, unorganized sector, tertiary sectors, secondary sectors. Correct answer is option B, unorganized sector. Vehicle repair, selling of goods like vegetables, fish on head, puncture repairers, and others belong to primary sector, secondary sector, unorganized sector, organized sector. Correct answer is option C, unorganized sector. A study of circular migration is done in the Republic, Footloosers, Division of Labor, Arthashastra. Correct answer is option B, Footloosers. The book Footloosers studies about total migration, organized sector migration, circular migration. Correct answer is option D, circular migration. Migration is one of the main features of primary sector, secondary sector, unorganized sector, organized sector. Correct answer is option C, unorganized sector. Providing facilities like housing, health, water, food, drinking water, equal opportunity to work universally and publicly is called as migration, legal framework, social security, child labor. Correct answer is option C, social security. Minimum Wages Act came into force in the year 1970, 1971, 1991, 1986. Correct answer is option B, 1971. Unorganized sector promotes child marriage, discrimination, child labor, child trafficking. Correct answer is option C, child labor. Division of labor leads to inequality in employment, child labor, specialization, child marriage. Correct answer is option C, specialization. Laborers of medical institutions are called as primary sector, secondary sector, unorganized sector, organized sector. Correct answer is option D, organized sector.